I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann.
And we have a little addition to make to one of our previous posts. We had a post about how to make it crispy, and we included a bunch of stuff from our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook, and like making crispy tortilla bowls and crispy tortilla sort of taco shells and chips and things like that. I thought we included one of our favorite things, which is the pita chip.
And it's one of the things that we serve at the monthly seminar at the Cleveland Clinic Wellness Institute that my husband has. We serve it with a sweet potato hummus from here. And these little chips are everybody's favorite thing because they are so crispy and so easy to make.
And there are a lot of pita bread out there, and I'm just look at the ingredients for pita bread. Some of it that's out there looks so perfect and everything. Just make sure you have whole wheat pita bread that has very few ingredients. This has got organic whole wheat flour, water, salt, yeast. Ta-da. So make sure that your whatever brand you're using has just those few ingredients.
Now you can stack it all up together and cut it in half.
Which is an important move.
And then take each half and you open those halves up, and
so you make the pocket of the pita.
So you're gonna.
I'm doing mine the other way. I'm making my pocket wide open.
And you stack these up. This pita bread is sticking together, but you open these up.
So you've got a half of a half of a half.
And then you've got these little piles of halves, and you cut them into your triangles.
Just like so. And the pan that we're going to put them on is one of my favorite, and it is an aerated pan, and it's got holes. You can see holes through the whole thing, so it cooks above and below same time.
But these cook on any kind of a pan. They would probably even cook on the oven rack if they didn't fall through. So,
true.
And the
look at
key
these
thing,
2 pieces of pita bread are making all these.
But the key thing about this is to keep your eye on it. However you cook it, at 350, at 400, keep your eye on it because they do burn quickly.
Yeah. So we are going to cook ours at like 400 for about 8 minutes. We're going to check on it for sure around 6, 7, 8 minutes. Okay.
But you're going to love these things, the little crispies.
We'll listen to
They're
the
good
crunch.
alone or with anything.
Okay. Back in a sec. They're done. They're done. They're crispy.
So crispy.
They're crispy. Crispy, crispy. Oh, careful, it's hot. Okay. They're crispy, and actually the more that they wait in the open air, the crispier they get. So,
can you hear that?
I was going to try to crisp with her. Here, ready? Ready for another bite? Which one should I get? I like this one. All right. Cheers. Go make your own, and let's hear you crisp. Ready? Go.
They're good plain, and they would be good dipped in cranberry salsa, hummus.
We're making cranberry salsa next week. All right. Enjoy.